Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, we're talking about sleep hygiene. Those small changes that can make a huge difference in the quality and the quantity of your sleep. So if you've been struggling with your sleep, you're definitely not alone. So stick around and we'll go over some really simple steps to help you improve your sleep. First, let's talk about room temperature. Something around 18 to 20 degrees, a little bit cooler, is optimal for your body for sleeping. So maybe set the thermostat down a little bit before you go to bed, or turn on a fan, circulate some air to decrease that room temperature. So next, consider the lighting in your room. Change your bulbs to more of a warmer tone. That warm light can signal your brain to release melatonin, which helps us sleep. And try and cover some of the lights from the digital clocks and the phones that might be shining throughout the night. Your pre-sleep routine can be a game changer. So doing things like reading before bed can help you to relax, and avoiding the blue lights from your phones and your computers. Those blue lights can stimulate or decrease the amount of melatonin that your brain produces. And speaking of your body, try doing some stretches to relieve stress. Stretching your body, stretching those muscles can take some of the tension out of your muscles and help you relax easier. Now this is where we also look at your spine and your spinal health. If your spine's not healthy, it's not moving right, that can affect your sleep. And this is where chiropractic comes in, a natural, holistic approach to increasing your spinal health. I think it's important to remember that not many things influence your health as much as sleep does. So getting a few of these things, ticking those sleep boxes, can make an amazing improvement on the quality of your life. Oh, and before we wrap up, just remember that for the entire month of April, we have a sleep package special. So any new patient can come in for half price. Just give us a call at 3808-8040 and make sure you mention this video and we will get you that package. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this. I hope you found this helpful. Any problems or questions, message us below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.